In this lesson, I want to show you another syntax option that you may see when encountering the map method in a React codebase. And that is some developers may destructure an object's properties in the parameter list to make it easier to write out the props below. So I'm going to revert the changes we instituted in the previous lesson. So I'm going to remove this spreading of the taco object, and I'm going to go back to having hard-coded name and image props right here. And so what you might see is rather than writing a taco parameter here, which represents an object, we can destructure object properties in a function's parameter list. We've done this before with the props object in our React functional components, and we can do the exact same logic here with our taco parameter, which represents an object with 3 properties. So right here, we can provide our curly braces, and we can extract the ID, name, and image properties from the respective taco object that we are iterating over in each iteration. And what that allows us to do is not have to prefix any of these properties with taco when we write out the props. So for example, right here for key, instead of taco.id, we can simply write ID. For the name prop, we do not need to write taco.name, we can just write name. And for image, we do not need to write taco.image, we can simply write image. So the syntax is a little bit cleaner because we don't have that taco prefix or whatever prefix it is that you assign to the parameter in the function parameter list. So again, just another syntactical option that you may see out there in the real world. And that's all there is to cover in this lesson. So I will see you in the next one.